Hola, bienvenidos to my channel. My name is Cathy Borrero, a.k.a. Cosambella. We're here one more time to do a Quarenflip video, but this one is a scrap fabric edition. We're starting by taking any fabric you want for your scrunchie. The longest part is going to be 60 centimeters and the short part is going to be 13 centimeters. Pin together the longest part and you're going to start sewing, but remember at the beginning we're going to leave a gap that is more or less 4 centimeters. Now we're going to turn this snake inside out and we're going to search for the gap and we're going to turn it again inside out. Now take the other part of your snake and you're going to insert it at the beginning in the gap. Make sure that the seams are together, like I'm showing you right now. And now you're going to start sewing it around. It's going to get a bit difficult because it's a really small part, so try to do it very slowly. Pull it on both sides and after that we're going to cut our elastic. It's going to be easier if you put it around your wrist and after that you cut it. Now insert the elastic in the scrunchie but hold the other end in your hand. When you have both parts of the elastic, make a knot or stitch the elastic. Now the last step is to sew the gap on the scrunchie and you're done. Y obviamente quedó como una cosambella.